like we're gonna get wet at any moment. I know it's gonna happen. It's gonna be on a little drop too, watch. Set up right. It's intense, guys. There's the view. It's a little bumpy. Oh, here we go. Oh! We bottomed out. Oh, man. Oh, no. Oh no, here we go. It's a little bit of bumpy, a little bumpy. It's not exactly the small world, but it's like small world mixed with test track a little bit. Oh, I got wet. It was bound to happen, guys. Remember Scorpion over there, guys. Rest in peace. Uh-oh. I think this might be the big one. Oh yeah, we got warnings.
Please sit upright, hold on tight, and brace for a sudden slowdown at the bottom of the hill. Thank you. Por favor, siéntense correctamente. Siéntense bien puestos para una caída repentina desde el
I'm soaked. That was fun though. That was fun. We made it, guys.
We made it.
Congrats. Our final ride.